Hi, my name is Srinithi and welcome to the Kids of the Century. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about Arctic foxes. Arctic foxes are mammals. This fur keeps them warm. Arctic foxes grow 18 to 27 inches, 46 to 57 centimeters long. They weigh up to 17 pounds, 8 kilograms. Their short legs and body, short ears, and dense winter fur give them a stocky appearance. Arctic foxes live near the North Pole. Their place is cold and snowy. Arctic foxes live dense in the snow. They live in some of the harshest places on the planet. Arctic foxes are hunters and scavengers. They eat fish, birds, and other small animals. Some Arctic foxes follow polar bears. They snack on the bears' leftovers. Arctic foxes are omnivores. Arctic foxes live for 3 or 4 years in the wild and up to 14 years in captivity. Arctic foxes mate in early spring. Females give birth about 50 days later. They have 4 to 11 kids. Arctic foxes live just to 12 years in the wild. Arctic fox fur is white in the winter and brown in the summer. Arctic foxes use their tails as blankets when sleeping. Arctic foxes have fur on the bottom of their paw. They change their fur color depending on the season. Arctic foxes control their heartbeat and metabolism. I hope you liked my video. See you on the next video. Bye!